KCTV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Usumbuan Menteri Rangba Kejelau bak Prestun Tensong ulapan kan mau. Yo nong yalam kaliang persyak Dr. Mukul Sangma menba udang long Menteri Rangba Kejela. Ulapan biak jigi pajba nong tebut Kejela. Dak basam jigi masih bat kepisah ke pemarsan hajar tengka. Syakawai pakawai ke long ying. Syuaba Kejela kan late syaka election kabala long House Nam Araja Khatpra. Hakajeng ekran bikelat patai kubur bak Prestun Tensong ulapan kesan. Baka jing pentrekam jong ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ya ke scheme fokus bat ke prime dak ba ajing harap pisah sigi self help group beper kedai jing harap ke bala penmentoy hadu kata-kata ya ki pajba nong sungsnong Kejela.
Mukul has to also understand himself. I think before election 2017 what he did, even even the cattle, he distributed cattle and then he gave 5,000 to each family. I don't know what he has done, and then there, in fact, it's so irregular, I should say. So therefore, I think you should ask from Dr. Mukul Sangma himself. But what we are doing right now, be it focus, be it a pride, we are doing well, and then and people who receive it also, be it the SHG, be it the society, and be it the cooperative society. I mean, they are being blessed with these schemes we implemented. He has been the chief minister for 8 years. Can you please ask him during his tenure, why not he completed Kuroburu Hotel? Huh? Why not he completed the Kuroburu Hotel? Are we taking credit of that? But of course, there are so many challenges. But ultimately, under the leadership of Konrad Sangma, Chief Minister, the present Chief Minister, the MDA government, we are able to complete it. And number two, now we are going to again inaugurate even JW Marriott Hotel in Jail Road. That also next one is going to happen. So see, I would like to just tell you, let Mukul say anything, whatever. Because he don't have any issue anymore to say. And I know well, people also does not trust him anymore. So let him talk whatever he feel like talking. But the fact remains, this is the only government who completed those incomplete schemes in different level, in different areas.